Today on Pinbusters, we're making our own hand warmers. I got an email from our friend Joseph out in Cincinnati who'd like us to make hand warmers out of just regular cloth and some rice. Let's see if it works. So the first thing you're gonna do is you could take an old shirt, or if you have some fabric just around the house, you're gonna cut out some 4x4 squares like so, 2 pieces, and put them together. And then you're gonna sew them together. Using crochet thread. And I got this just at Michael's. It's, you know, just a couple bucks. I got a natural color, but you could actually pick any color you want. And you're just gonna do a cross stitch. So you're gonna do the stitching. I think it's called the cross stitch. I don't know what it's called. So you want that loop there on the top. In and over, like so. So you're gonna do the stitching all the way around like so. And then, you know, don't close it up just yet. Make sure you leave a hole big enough so that you can put a funnel through and pour the rice. So I'm gonna keep sewing and I'll be right back. So now that you've finished sewing all the way around, I've left a hole and I've made, I don't have a funnel, so I made a funnel out of some thick cardstock paper. And just go hold it over the hole and pour the rice in. Let's hope it works. Doesn't work. Try it again. I don't think the hole's big enough. Things like a funnel that you just never buy. Let's try it again. Try it again. Yay. And then you seal it back up. I'm sure everyone's a better sewer than I am. There we are. We have our bag of our heat warmers. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave for a minute and see if it works. I'll be right back. Just took it out of the microwave and it's nice and hot. Woo! These would definitely keep you warm right now in the winter. You could put it in your gloves. You could put it in your sock. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm. So I'm gonna say pin trusted. Yay! That's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you real soon.